हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू साइंस अरीना एंड आई एम मोनिका। बहुत दिनों बाद मैं आज पोस्ट कर रही हूँ ये वीडियो। सॉरी फॉर द डिले, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप माई promise here. Remember, I promised you that we would be doing a worksheet on IUPAC names, and here I am with a sheet or with a worksheet on IUPAC names, and we'll work it out together. Let's see. So start करते हैं. Let's see the first compound. So what is this compound? Now in case you have forgotten your rules, it's a request, go back to the video which I had done on rules of the nomenclature, otherwise you'll be lost. Yeah, so better revise it, uske baad worksheet karenge. All right, now what is this compound? So let us identify the longest chain here. Now if you look at this is the longest chain or this is the longest chain. Either ways you end up getting 3 carbons in the longest chain. Now how do I number it? 1, 2, 3, or do I number it as 1, 2, 3? कौन सा choose करेंगे, blue या green? Now if you look at the positioning of these substituent groups, they are both on the second carbon. Now be it written in the green wala or the blue wala format, we end up getting the attachments on the second carbon only. So it is not material कि मैं blue wala numbering use करूँ या green wala. I will end up getting the same name. Now what do I do now? After having identified the longest chain, numbered my carbons, now I am going to name the substituent groups here. They are both methyl attached on the second carbon. So how do I name my compound here? 2, 2. So 2 for one methyl and the other 2 for the second methyl. So 2, 2 dimethyl. And it is a propane. Why is it a propane? Because 3 carbons and you only have single bonds here. So let us move on to the next one. So what is this here? Double bond आ गया. So double bond की positioning भी करेंगे हम. Now if you look at this, I will now need to write the condensed structural formula for this. CH3 easier हो जाता है name लिखना. All right. Now there are 3 carbons in the longest chain. How do I number it? 1, 2, 3, or do I number it as 1, 2, 3? This double bond should get the lower number here. Now if you look at the green number, the green system of numbering here, the double bond falls on the first carbon. If you look at the purple system of numbering here, you would see that it falls on the second carbon. So purple is out. Alright, green one is the acceptable one. How do I name it now? It is a propene because of the presence of double bond. अब मुझे 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now when you have the double bond or the triple bond falling on the first carbon, you may not write that one, right? So it is a propene. Moving on to the next one. What is this compound here? So we have 2 different kinds of alkyl groups here, if you notice it. Now अब numbering क्या होगी मेरी? So would it be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or would it be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So here comes, other than the longest chain rule, we would also be concentrating on the lower sum rule. That means these alkyl groups which are attached, if they are attached either on the third and second according to the blue numbers here, so third and the second carbons, or the fifth and the fourth carbon according to the green, I would follow the lower sum rule. That means इनके positions को जब हम add करेंगे, so 3 plus 2 is a 5, 4 plus 5 is a 9. So I will accept the sum which is lower. So I would go by the blue and not the green. So green is out. We are following the blue one. So how do I now name these alkyl groups? अब यहाँ पे 2 अलग अलग टाइप के alkyl groups हैं. You have the methyl, you also have the ethyl. So how do I name it? Which one do I name first? The methyl or the ethyl? Another rule here, the alphabetical series. So ethyl starts with E, methyl starts with M. The one which comes first in the alphabetical order is E. So we will first name ethyl and then name methyl. Despite the fact that ethyl is on the third and methyl is on the second, I will name ethyl first. So 3 ethyl 2-methyl, and it is a hexane. It is ane because it only has single bonds. All right, हो गया. Next, triple bond की बारी है. So let us see, we also have a substituent group. So according to the rule, the priority is given to the triple bond. Substituent groups take the back seat now. Neglect हो गया बेचारा. All right, so पहले इसको priority देंगे. So numbering किस हिसाब से करेंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, or do I number it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7? I have to see कि triple bond की position lower number पे आए. So according to the green one, it is on the third. According to the blue one, it is on the fourth. Well, I am choosing the green one then. All right. So blue is out. So अब हम इसका nomenclature करते हैं. So how do I write it? 2-methyl, and it is a hept, HEPT. It is a YNE because of the triple bond, heptine. And इसकी तो position मैंने लिखी ही नहीं, तो incomplete है. इसकी position मुझे लिखनी होगी. So how do I position it? It is on the third carbon. So 3-heptine. Without the position of the triple bond or the double bond or the other functional groups, the nomenclature is not complete. Alright, now moving on to the next. Let's look at this. So again we have two substituent groups. This time we have the same kind of substituent groups, which are the methyl groups here. So if you look at the longest chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6, या फिर 1 2 3 4 5 6, कौन सा चूज करना है, ब्लू या ग्रीन? अब इफ यू लुक एट द पोजीशन ऑफ द डबल बॉन्ड, बेचारा सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ग्रुप तो ऐसे ही निगलेक्ट हो गया है, प्रायोरिटी तो डबल बॉन्ड को मिल रही है. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द ग्रीन वन, according to the green one, the double bond is on the third carbon. According to the blue one, the double bond is again on the third carbon. तो किसी को भी चूज कर लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. All right, so I have 3,4 dimethyl. So इसकी पोजीशन और इसकी पोजीशन 3,4 dimethyl, and it is a hexene. बट पोजीशन तो दिया नहीं डबल बॉन्ड को, इट इज अ 3-hexene. करेक्ट, 3 because of the fact that the double bond is on the third carbon, right? Now moving on to now I will write down the condensed structural formula for this compound. So it is a CH3 CH2. Okay, now what is this functional group? COOH. What was COOH? It is a carboxylic acid. COOH, carboxylic acid, right? So I would write it as COOH. Now what is this compound? What is the suffix which we use for carboxylic acids? Oic, right? 1 2 3. So it is a prop. प्रोपेन में से ई हट गया एंड ऑइक अटैच हो गया. सो PROPANE, ई हट गया एंड कम्स ऑइक. सो प्रोपेनॉइक, ऑफ कोर्स विद एन एसिड, करेक्ट. सो दिस इज अ प्रोपेनॉइक एसिड. अब इसकी पोजीशनिंग की तो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. जहाँ शुरू होता है, जहाँ पे लगता है वहीं से लाइन शुरू होती है, वहीं से काउंटिंग शुरू होती है. इट इज द बॉस, राइट? So now moving on to the next one. Now look at this, a CHO this time. What was a CHO? CHO क्या था? This is an aldehyde, right? How does it look like? Or a CHO. So aldehydes use the suffix al. अब ये भी जहाँ शुरू होता है वहीं से लाइन, जहाँ खड़ा होता है वहीं से लाइन शुरू होती है. So this is again number 1. बॉस. सो यहाँ पे अगर हमने इसका कंडेंस स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला लिखना होगा, CH3 CH2 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 and a CHO. All right, कितने कार्बन हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6. इट इज अ हेक्सेनॉल, राइट? सो इट इज अ हेक्सेन, HEXANE, E हट गया, AL आ गया, हेक्सेनॉल. आल was the suffix which we use for aldehydes. Now आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now comes the halo group. So halo group में if you remember we use the name of the halogen as a prefix. So bromine है यहाँ पे, so it is a bromo. अगर chlorine होता it would be a chloro. If you had a fluorine it would be a fluoro, but as a prefix, not as a suffix this time. So identifying the longest chain 1 2 3 4 5 या फिर 1 2 3 4 5. Which one do I choose? Of course the one which gives a lower number to the bromine, so I'm choosing the blue one. Green one is out. So अब इसका nomenclature करते हैं. It is on the second carbon, so 2 bromo, and it is a pentane, right? ANE because खाली single bonds हैं, right? No other kind of bonds here. All right, so I have also positioned my bromine here. Now look at this. We will now need to condense it. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, and I have a CH3. Now ये क्या है? What is this structure? The structure. What is the functional group here? So if you look at this, it looks something like this. So you have one part of the alkyl group here, the other part of the alkyl group here. So we have one alkyl group, the other alkyl group. What is this? It's a ketone. And what is the suffix which we use? ONE, right? ONE. So how do we name it? 1 2 3 4. So it is a butanone. ब्यूटेन लिखा हमने, E हट गया, ONE आ गया, butanone. So ONE for the ketones, right? Now taking it forward comes the alcohol. Now what alcohol is this? 1 2 3 4. How do I number it? Or do I number it as, sorry, 1 2 3 4. कौन सा, blue या green? Of course this should get the lower number, so I am considering the green one. Blue one is out. So alcohol is on the second carbon. How do I name it? It is a but because there are 4 carbons in the longest chain, so it is a butanol. So what butanol? It is a 2-butanol. E था, OL आ गया, ब्यूटेन में से E हट गया and OL आ गया because the suffix which we use for alcohols is ol, OL. So butanol, all being on the second, I had to attach this. If I forget this, number भी वैसे ही forget हो जाएंगे. Alright, now moving on to the next. What is this here? Condensed structural formula से शुरू करते हैं. So this is going to be a CH3, a CH, and a CH3, a C triple bond CH. So what is this compound now? Priority to the triple bond. Substituent group पीछे चला गया. So how do I number it? 1 2 3 4 is how I number it, right? Lower position to the triple bond. And what position is it on? It's on the first carbon. जब भी first and second के बीच में means first. And I may write the one, I may not write the one. So how do I name it now? The position of the alkyl group is 3. So I would write it as 3-methyl and 1 2 3 4. It is a butyne. I may not write the one because it is on the first carbon. So it is a but because there are 4 carbons. हो गया, right? समझ आ रहा है? Yes? Alright. Now moving on to this. So we have a cyclic arrangement here. So what is this? What is this ring representing? जब भी ring होता है, there is a prefix which we use. It is a cyclo. It is a cyclo. And what cyclo is this? 1 2 3 4 5 carbons है. So it is a cyclopentane. Right? So it is a cyclopentane. If you remember, we had discussed this, that the ring structure of these single bonded compounds use the prefix cyclo. So cyclo because of the ring structure, and pentane because of the fact that it has 5 carbons all interlinked by single bonds. All right. Now moving on to the next one. What is this? इसको बताओ तो जाने, right? What is this looking like? कैसे नंबरिंग करें? अगर ये पोजीशन हमने समझ भी लिया, सो नंबरिंग कैसे करेंगे हम? 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5. क्योंकि अगर हम ऐसे भी लिखेंगे 1 2 3 4 5, आई विल स्टिल हैव 5 कार्बन्स इन द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. All right, so there is another way I can write it, right? So like this, I'm going like this. There is another way I can write it. How can I write it? 1 2 3 4 5. When it comes to longer chain, where am I going wrong here? The COOH, if you look at this part, it is a COOH, isn't it? So if it is a COOH, लाइन यहीं से शुरू होती है, मुझे काउंटिंग यहीं से शुरू करनी है, मुझे अच्छा लगे तो ना लगे तो. ऑल राइट, सो नंबरिंग पूरी गड़बड़ है. All 3 are incorrect. So my numbering has to start from here, right? So all of these are incorrect numbering systems. So I will start numbering the thing from here. So I would, let me take another color here. So I would do it as, this is my first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. मुझे यहीं से start करना है, मेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है. करेक्ट? सो नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द पोजिशनिंग्स नाउ. ये तो ऑटोमेटिकली आउट है. आई एम नॉट कंसिडरिंग दीज एट ऑल. सो इफ दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन, इफ यू लुक एट दिस, सो दिस बिकम्स योर substituent group, right? That is the substituent group because it is not a part of the longest chain. Longest chain तो मेरा ऐसा जा रहा है. So this is the substituent group. So let's position it. What position is it on? It is on the second carbon. ये जो methyl है, it is on the second carbon. So 2-methyl, and it is a propanoic, right? Sorry, it is, how many carbons are there? We numbered it as 5. So it is a pentanoic acid. Now सो ये नंबरिंग अगर मैंने करेक्ट कर ली, बिकॉज ये तो इसकी पोजिशनिंग तो आई डोंट हैव टू डू बिकॉज इट इज ऑलवेज नंबर 1. सो 2-methyl and it is a pentanoic acid, right? Because 5 carbons in the longest chain inclusive of this. Always count the carbon of the functional group also. Okay, now moving on, I hope you have got it, right? So let us move on to the next. All right, this is the last one which we are going to do. Write to me on the comment section and tell me whether or not you have got it. You have. If you are still facing problems, revise the video on the rules of the nomenclature. If you are still stuck, write to me and we will make it sure that we will do some more worksheets on this concept so that you get it, right? So karna to hai hai, right? Now moving on to this is the last one. So there are, if you look at the longest chain, there are 3 attachments here. So let us first write down the positions which are possible here. 5, or I could write it as 1 2 3 4 5. कौन सा चूज करना है? डबल बॉन्ड है, सो प्रायोरिटी उसी की है. सो विच वन डू आई चूज? डबल बॉन्ड ऑन द सेकेंड कार्बन और डबल बॉन्ड ऑन द थर्ड कार्बन? ऑफ कोर्स द सेकेंड कार्बन. सो ग्रीन वन इज आउट. सो आई एम चूजिंग द ब्लू numbers here. So 2-methyl, there is a 3-methyl and there is a 4-methyl. So how do I write it as 2, 3, 4 trimethyl, and it is a pentene. अब इसकी पोजिशनिंग भी मुझे करनी होगी. So it is a 2-pentene. Correct? I hope you're clear about it. If there is a doubt, please write a comment and I will certainly give you my reply there. Alright? So now tell me, have the things become easier? If yes, very nice. I would love to always stay connected with you, and I will be back with more videos on certain kinds of concepts about nomenclature, about creating isomers. So, it would be very nice if you could give me some likes here. It gives me some motivation. Thank you so much for connecting. See you in the next video. Bye bye.